Are you tired of the same old boring camping trips? Looking to spice up your outdoor adventures? Well, look no further. Introducing Echo Market Store, your one-stop shop for all your outdoor travel needs. At Echo, we understand the importance of quality gear for your camping experience. That's why we've curated the best selection of camping frying pans and barbecue accessories on the market. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, our top-of-the-line frying pans will have you flipping, sautéing, and searing like a pro. And with our wide range of barbecue accessories, you'll be grilling up mouth-watering meals in no time. Search for the exclusive link in the description. It's not merely about the equipment, it's all about the adventure. We're firm believers that outdoor travel should be a thrilling, enjoyable, and unforgettable experience. That's precisely why we're here, dedicated to assisting you in crafting enduring memories with your cherished companions. Whether you're setting out on a challenging backpacking expedition or preparing for a camping escape, Echo Market Store has everything you need. Click the link in the description to elevate your outdoor cooking game. We sincerely appreciate your time and attention, so please consider liking and subscribing. Feel free to share your location with us in the comments to let us know where you're joining us from around the world. Echo Market Store, where outdoor travel meets culinary magic. Get ready to sizzle, grill, and taste the great outdoors. Echo Market Store, the ultimate destination for all your outdoor cooking needs. Happy camping!